Leo ikaineta John Njuguna wanjiku ni alikitie gwikinya mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge ya mbajeti oro hamwe na uhuthiri wa kigina gutariria na kinyi ndereti ya watho na makiria igii utonga oro hamwe na thuguri ya kana igii thuguri ya utonga wa kigina kia muingi kia mwaka wa 2023 mucemanio uria kurerikana utabaniirio mukawaini wa Hilton mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi. Mamwe ma mendekithia maria makoretwo makineanwo ni wanjiku ni gukorwo ati nendekithitie kuheo kwa kana kuneana thuguri ciothe cia thi wa ciringi bilioni 1 kuri kambuni iria iri guku bururiini. Chege wa Wanjoria atinda akirumania na riboti yo na atuhaririria.
Open for any amendment, as the fiscal analysts have also raised it and say that we can amend to suit a few issues that members have raised.
Ndereti iyo iri irongoreirie gucenjia watho na gutigirira thuguri cia thi wa ciringi bilioni 1 ni cianeanwo kuri kambuni cia guku bururiini, nacio thuguri iria ciri cia makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1 cikaneanwo kuri kambuni cia kuma thi cia nanja wa bururi. No rungu rwa kiriko ati gicunji kia 30% kia garama ya thuguri iyo kirigithagio kuri ya Kenya niguo kuiganania hitahitano ya uhuri biashara.
Money back to their country. So what we are trying to say is that we are going to introduce something that below $1 billion shillings, any government tender has been floated, tender sum to below $1 billion shillings should be given to a local manufacturer. And then any that is above 1 billion, we should have an aspect of the local consumers or local shareholders of that international company to about 30%. Then also the tender sum of the whole amount of money, 30% of that amount, if we are dealing with procurement, if we are dealing with the construction material, should be done locally.
Kuringana na Mumbunge njuguna wanjiku, mendekithia maya otoria mari ndereti-ini iyo marongoreirie gukiria wonjoria wa thiini wa bururi, gukiria uthii wa na mbere wa wonjoria wa nduriri na makiria bururi mugima kurumirira kigina kiria gicokagio mabururi-ini maria maheagwo thuguri no kuma thi cia nanja.
Then in terms of retaining the profit made by these multinational companies, we have also a share of that amount of money being retained within our republic. And this has a ripple effect. If we give contracts beyond $1 billion shillings, we have so many players in the market who have the capacity, they have the technical know-how, they have the financial muscle, but because of this competition with the international players, we are not able to see how now we can be able to promote them. They are losing businesses, we are losing money, and then at the end of the day, we are also losing jobs that are supposed to be created by these local people.
Ndereti ino makiria irongoreirie kugathika mitaratara honge-ini iria ciheanaga thuguri ici na njira ya gukuruhania anyiti itemi othe niguo kurehe uigananu hari hitahitano ya thuguri ici.
But let me say as well, the issue of inefficiency, I think that is something that can be dealt with, because we cannot entirely say in the whole republic there is no Kenyan who is efficient or who can be able to produce. Whether it is good we are producing or whether it is contracts. We have also gotten multinational companies whom have failed actually to honor probably their part of the bargain in terms of those contracts. So therefore it is a two-way traffic. We will have a way to cure the inefficiency, but as well we also have so many local Kenyans who are able to contract or to work.
Oho abunge aria mathikiriirie ndereti ino ni moritie njuguna wanjiku gutigirira icunje citiganite cia watho ni cia kuruhanio ndereti-ini iyo niguo kugitira kambuni cia bururi iria ciheagwo thuguri ici kumana na kuhingiririo hitahitano-ini iyo ni undu wa kwaga kigina.
But the only issue I want you to check, the entire broad proposal is good, the thinking is good, and everything associated is good. But protectionism is double-edged, because on one side, when you want to promote production, then somebody has to pay for the cost of inefficiency.
Hado-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.